If they don't go electric, they risk being left behind. The market is shifting fast and consumers are demanding cleaner, smarter vehicles. The pace of innovation is staggering. What's cutting edge today will be standard tomorrow. Features like autonomous driving, over-the-air updates, and advanced safety systems are becoming the norm. We're witnessing a total reinvention of the automobile, the biggest shift since cars were invented. The transition is happening before our eyes, reshaping cities, industries, and even the way we think about mobility. Road trips in EVs are now a reality, not a dream. Charging networks are expanding rapidly, making it easier than ever to travel long distances without worry. This isn't a passing trend, it's the future of transportation. Cities are adapting, infrastructure is growing, and more people are making the switch every day. The electric revolution is here, and it's moving faster than anyone expected. The next few years will bring even more dramatic changes, with new models, better batteries, and smarter technology. It's an incredible time to be a car enthusiast. Whether you love speed, technology, or just the thrill of the drive, electric cars are opening up a whole new world of possibilities. The electric shift isn't happening by accident. Governments are helping. Incentives like tax credits and rebates make EVs more affordable. Perks like reduced registration fees and tax exemptions sweeten the deal. Massive investments are building public charging networks everywhere. The goal: make charging as easy as filling up with gas. Many places are setting deadlines to phase out new gas cars. Automakers and governments are all in, accelerating the transition. This coordinated push is driving the electric revolution forward.